Welcome back to another home tour with Nonyez Homes and eXp Realty. My name is Joy Aniagu, your trusted DFW Realtor, and today we are touring another Perry Homes in Rockwall, Texas. We are walking into the 2810W plan, which is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 2,810 square foot home with a 3-car garage. All homes in this community come with a 3-car garage, and they have up to 100-foot lots. If you would like to see more home tours like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and notification bell so you will not miss the next home tour. And I'll see you on the next one.